What the hell are you doing? Holy shit. That's fucking nice.
Well, so I had previously recorded this video. Interestingly enough, the first time I recorded it, it was in the rain as well. So, what a better setting, right? I might do truck vlogs every now and then, because of reasons like this, when I can't always ride to work. And on top of that, I sometimes travel from job site to job site, so it's not always the most convenient way to travel. If I'm doing it by motorcycle, sometimes I do need my truck. You know, like I said, obviously it's raining right now, so I really do need my truck. Oh, what happened here? Oh, Porsche went off-road. You know what? Interesting story. That's the second Porsche that I see that goes off-road like that. I think about 2 weeks ago or so, when it was raining, I was heading into Arlington, and as I hopped on the highway close to the DFW airport, there was that exact same Porsche like that. So I think it's like the newer Boxster that was off the road as well. So I don't know, maybe they have traction issues or something, or maybe just got on the gas too much. Who knows? See what happened here. That's one car. That's two cars. I'm assuming those two collided with each other, maybe. For whatever reason, I guess people just forget how to drive when it's raining and you have a lot more accidents. There is a video, though, of me actually riding in the rain. It was and it was not by choice. I essentially did it to help out my brother who needed the truck, and I decided that I would take my motorcycle to work. And I checked the forecast the night before, and I also checked it that morning, and when I checked the forecast, it did call for rain, but not until about 9 a.m. So I assumed I still had a good enough window to more or less avoid the rain on my way to work, but it actually ended up getting me. So, but it was okay though. I mean, I made it fine. It wasn't raining as heavy as it is right now, so it wasn't too bad.
Ooh, fuck it, let them talk about us. Let them talk about us. All they wanna play